Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Lucas Copy Academy, and you are watching the Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm Rakesh, your host here. Today is 28th of June 24, the last trading day of the week. It is Friday. It is also the last trading day of the month. But some of you might be thinking that I'm a research team member of Lucas Copy. But let me tell you that I'm not the member of the research team. But yes, I'm an independent analyst, and all the views or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here with you, they're of my own. It has nothing to do with the Lucas Copy Bank. Yes, I'm just using their YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we will not talk about anything that is related to the news or events, and we'll only be focusing ourselves on the price. For this, we'll be watching the charts, and we'll use that price action, okay, to find out the key levels for all the pairs and the instruments, and then we see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in the trading setups. All right. Also, at the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers if they have any, and I'll try to answer them, all of them. So please keep your questions ready, and if you want at any point of time, because you are live, you can also request if any particular pair or instrument that you want to check me out live in front of you and have an analysis on that. With this said, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer. But before I go to the risk disclaimer, I must also warn you that this is not a trading advice. This video should be only seen as an entertainment or education or knowledge purpose. You cannot trade real money based on what I say here, okay? So let's go to the charts. Yeah, before that, have a look at this risk disclaimer. Please understand it completely. When you have understood it, then you can move on to the charts. Right now on your screen is the daily chart of the US dollar index. This is US dollar index. You can see, okay, US dollar index, and this is a 1-day chart. That is candlestick type of charts. There are other type of charts also, but the candlestick type of charts is the best because it gives us a lot of information. All right, so from the first look at this chart, we can say that the price is headed up. But wait a minute. There is something wrong with the yesterday's candle and today's candle. Yesterday's candle was an inside bar, whereas today's candle made a high which was higher than previous day and day before yesterday. And it has given us an inverted pin bar or an inverted hammer, you can say. Now there's a problem with this type of candlestick. It is showing us that price tried to make a higher high but failed there and came back down. Now this is a problem. Why this is a problem? Because at higher prices, people are not ready to keep the US dollar. So they are selling it off. When the price is rising, they're selling it off again. So what does it signify? It signifies that there is a potential reversal over here. There's a potential reversal over here, okay, and this can take the price down to 104.99. Will that happen? Only time will tell. Next week or maybe by the closing tonight something will happen, but 104.99 is the level below which we will start looking for selling opportunities. Till the time the price is trading above that, we are not looking for the selling opportunities, and if we start looking for selling opportunities, we will look for them till 104.21, which is the next level of support. So if the dollar is going down, where is the pound supposed to go? Yes, pound is headed higher, but notice how the pound failed to make a lower low, although dollar made a higher high, but pound failed to make a lower low. What does it mean? there is strength in pound at the lower levels. Where is the strength? Around 1.2620 levels. All right. Now, where is it headed? Maybe it is headed to clear this high of 1.2702. We are not sure yet, but yes, if it clears that, then the way will be, or the pathway will be open for these highs around 1.2739 and thereafter straight away to 1.2860. This is possible, right? Hmm. Okay, and what is Euro suggesting? Did Euro make a new low? Not at all. In fact, Euro is making higher highs. So what does it mean? The thing that we said that day, that Euro is bullish. So I am expecting Euro to make higher highs and break from 1.0761 just like that. So I'm expecting the prices to reach for 1.0852 and maybe even higher towards 1.0942 in the case of Euro dollar. Okay. So where is the support for the euro? Yes, the good support is 1.0649, but also this low can be seen as a support in case the price makes a high which is higher than these highs around 1.0746. This can happen today, this can happen next week. Australian dollar, finally it reversed from here, taking out this liquidity. All the buyers are out and now fresh buying has come. Is trying to give us a bullish engulfing here. Expect the prices to break out next week. First target will be 0.6871 in case the price is able to break above 0.6714. Talking about the New Zealand dollar. Did I say that there's a possibility that there will be a huge buying at this level? Boom, boom. Can you see that? The price made an intraday low around 0.6058 and now the price is trading at 6103. You can see that, right? So this is what I was talking about. So now I am expecting the price to reach for 0.6222. Had you known this all beforehand, and you can, create an alert over here, and how much drawdown do you have? See, 6063, and what is the low? 6058. Only 5 points. That's it. All right. USD CHF. Yes. Now this is again a very classic sell here. Why? Because these order blocks have been reached and the price made a high but failed to sustain over there. This is a failed auction, you can see, or this is a breacher. Okay. 0.8993 was not actually was respected and the price has closed again below that, and now I am expecting these lows to be reached. Where are these lows, by the way? 0.8827 is the low and thereafter 0.8730, and this should happen very fast. So let's see how the things unfold in the future, but now we have an idea what is going to happen in the coming time. USD CAD, well, in this also the price first went higher, try to, I think it trapped the bulls and now has gone lower. 1.3603 I think is where we are headed for. It is no more a bullish price action now. Okay, so be careful. This is the previous order block from where the price reversed, and in case the price is able to close the day below the opening of this candle, then definitely this is going towards 1.3603. USD JPY price here went higher but failed to sustain around 161.28. Right now it's trading at 160.77. Expect the price to reverse from here in the coming days. But what is the target, guys? So first support that you should expect is around 158.74, and now this should be your resistance. So something like this is what you should be expecting to check. These are the levels that you should keep an eye on, and this is also one level. So I have shown all the important levels for you till 151.85. New Zealand CAD is a sell for sure, but on the 4 hour it is making a triangle. So I'm a little confused on this now. The price is making lower highs and lower lows, but here it started consolidating. So if the New Zealand doesn't go lower anymore, then there's a possibility that the price will reverse and reach for 0.8433. And if it continues, then below 0.8297, it can reach for 0.8201. Bitcoin lower prices are assured, but see how the body of the candles are behaving properly here. There was buying and selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. So the selling is happening day by day. That means people are trying to say create shorts or maybe short sell, whatever they are doing. The prices are going low day by day and expect a breakdown in the next week, maybe somewhere towards 56,564. This is the minimum that I'm expecting next week. Brent. I want to sell the Brent, but it is not giving me any reason for that to do. Well, I think the low of this candle when it is taken out, that is 83.74, then there will be a clear downtrend to this direction. Although the price made a high, but it failed to go higher than the previous high, so that is an indication that the sellers are aggressive in this area of the area which I have highlighted, and lower prices may be expected. If we start going lower, 82.67 area will be the first target. Thereafter we can target this area here, the open of this candle, which is around 80.06, and thereafter we can expect 76.78 in this one. Gold 2332 is where it is trading right now. Very small range for today. Yesterday there was a clean breakout from this trend line, but even after this clean breakout the price fell below, so I'm not very much interested in seeing the prices rising from here, although because the US dollar has finally started falling, so there's a possibility the price going back towards 2388. So let's see how the things unfold if the US dollar continues lower. Nikkei is not giving up, it is rising, has tested the high of this candle. I think this was 39,956.34. Today the candle high is 39,962.63. Okay, so this is good. So price is made higher high than this, and if it sustains, there is a possibility of the price going back towards 41,138. This is very nice for this. Maybe Dow Jones or Nikkei and Nasdaq can take use from it and rise further. If it starts falling from here, then 39,344 will act as a very good support. In fact, now this is the support, 39,186. Euro JPY finally started a move up. Why? Because euro is in a good support, yen is very weak. So euro yen is expected to rise now. I think a lot of rise may be here in the coming days. GBP because the Australian dollar being stronger, pound being weaker, you can see a bearish engulfing here. There's a possibility that the price will break below this low that I'm going to indicate here, 1.8894, and once 1.8889, and once that happens, then we can make a run towards 1.8586. CHF JPY, not very clean uptrend, but yes, the price is trying to go above. AUD New Zealand, yes. So AUD New Zealand, first it broke higher, then it consolidated, and today it made a higher high. So this is an indication that the prices are headed towards 1.0998. Also notice that I have said that there is a possibility that the price will come back to this area to test it as a fresh support before making a higher high. This is also possible, guys. So keep an eye on that also. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any question whatsoever, please ask me. I'll be waiting for some time, and if I don't receive any questions, I would like to wrap up this session. All right, guys, I don't see any questions coming up, so I have to wrap up this session by simply stating that I hope you know about the support and the resistance level that may be of interest in the coming hours and in the coming days. Just remember one thing though, that never risk less than more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. If you do this consistently, you will never go out of your equity. And with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching.